Hey everyone, I'm in Vero Beach, Florida at a gorgeous model home called the Highgate. It's built by Devasta here in the Harbor Isle community, and I can't wait to show you. Let's take a look. The Highgate is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with 1,850 square feet and a 2-car garage. This floor plan in the Harbor Isle community has a starting price tag of $529,000. This is one of their model homes, so you'll see the 2-car garage has been converted into a sales office. The Highgate is a split floor plan. You have 3 guest bedrooms situated in the front of the house, while the master is towards the back of the house. One thing I really like when you step into this model home is the wooden slats running through the foyer. It's a very unique characteristic, and I'm seeing it utilized more and more with the new construction homes that are now being built. The Highgate model reminds me a lot of the Cali model home that is built by D.R. Horton, which is very similar in the way it's laid out, and it's also a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. This is a very linear and open concept floor plan with the kitchen, dining room, and living room flowing seamlessly into one another. This floor plan is currently being built in the Harbor Isle community here in Vero Beach. And if you want more information on that community, I did make a specific video going over the communities, mentioning the amenities, the HOA fees, and everything that you'll need to know. I'll leave a link to that video down in the description below. If you are considering moving down here to the Sunshine State of Florida, please reach out to me with any questions. I absolutely love helping out my subscribers find their dream home here in Florida, so don't hesitate to contact me. I'll leave my info up on the screen. With that being said, enjoy the rest of the walkthrough and let me know your comments and what you think of the floor plan down in the comment section below. So everyone, what did you think about that floor plan? I'd love to know your thoughts. What did you like? What did you not like? Please let me know in the comment section down below. Like I said earlier, this home is being built in the Harbor Isle community here in Vero Beach, and I did make an in-depth video about all the current floor plans, amenities, HOA fees, and much more. And the link to that video will be linked in the description down below. With that being said, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.